Hello and welcome back to another episode of Clash of Clans Ranked Legends. Today I'm going to use this army. I switched out the Electro Dragons and included 4 Yetis and a Furnace instead. That's just because the Electro Dragons are supposed to get value on the outside of the base. A lot of the times I didn't feel like I was getting value, so yeah. I feel like the Yetis and Furnaces are more generically good. They're not as base dependent. Okay, I have an idea. I only have 3 invisibility spells, so... Okay. I hope he kills the Guardian soon. I think I'll just trigger the Barbarian King ability here. Sure. Oh my gosh, I still have 5 furnaces. Why is no one attacking the freaking... Why are you all ignoring that? Okay guys, you'll have to do a lot of work in the last 30 seconds. Ah, this is a time fail. I think. Oh, the time is so close. I honestly, I hate this. Why is it always so close? It's honestly frustrating. I mean, the point is, in this case, it's not a close time fail, like, there's still so much to go. But what I'm saying is the time, it's so little time. It's already so difficult to do everything. Like, in these kind of technical attacks, where you don't just spam everything out, where you don't just spam everything down. Sometimes I wish the game, like, the attacking time was like 3 minutes and 20 seconds, or something like that, to be honest. Then you can really take your time. Anyways, next attack. Okay. Am I just going to go for the, like... Okay. I have a plan. I have no idea how good that plan is. Does the warden survive? No, I'm just gonna place down the headhunter. I can't take risks here. I'm just going to use the Barbarian King to trigger this, I think. Let's see how this works. I have no idea. And then I'm gonna do this. Meanwhile, the guy is okay. Maybe I should have placed the ice columns down first, not sure. Anyways, okay. Now let's concentrate on this more. I need to get the fireball soon. Right now I need four invisibility spells. Oh right, I don't have an icebox spell, I forgot about that. Okay, he's kind of struggling here. Don't die yet. Please don't die. Oh no, I didn't intend to place the... Okay. Do I recall him? Right now he's fine. Okay, I need to also get going. Then I'm gonna... I guess do this. I hope it's not in the range of the... And then this is going to take care of the monolith, that's okay. Oh my god, I placed it in front of her. Huh? How's this looking? There's just so much base still left, so I feel like this is a time fill again, isn't it? I'll also have to recall him here. Yeah, it looks like another time fail. What do I need to do to make this attack quicker? I mean, I don't know if it's a time fail. There's still, like, if the one walks into the scatter shot and the super wizard tower and the ricochet cannon simultaneously, then he is gonna have problems. If he kind of picks them off one by one, depending on how he walks, then it would be a time fail. Depends on that. But yeah, I need to think about something, or like, just think about something to make the attacks quicker, because this is a reoccurring pattern. I don't really have a solution to the time fail problem yet. I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing, but just speeding everything up a bit. Yeah, if I don't figure something out today, I'll do some research, I guess. I mean, placing down my furnaces is one thing. I need to improve upon. I'm a bit scared once he gets into the Super Wizard Tower range, although the monolith is kind of further away from this angle, so I guess that's good. Do I rage him up? Not because he's in risk, but just to speed it up a bit. Or I just fireball here. One. I'll let him destroy that. One, two. Should be enough to at least fireball this. Okay, now I need to start with the rest. I'll go from here. I guess I'll activate the Barbarian King ability. Bro, these skeletons are annoying. I think the one is gonna join up with the other heroes here. I think this is gonna be the episode of the time fails, basically. Oh my god, this is so annoying. And I still don't have both of my rage spells. I guess it's also my fault. It's just my fault here, guys. And the healers are all dead for some reason. I'll just rage them up again. I really... Yeah. Yeah. Why? Oh, I didn't use my rage spells at all. It's almost as if I just forget about it, you know? It's just on the right side of my screen and then I just forget about it. So yeah, I think this would have been a triple if I just used them more, probably. Yeah. But hey, I would say that's still an improvement compared to my last episodes, because there I had time fails, but I also had power fails. This time it seems like more of a time fail issue, which I feel like is better. If it's a time fail problem, I can improve on that. I can improve by using my spells, using my troops and so on. So yeah. Also didn't really get the good wallbreaker value. Okay, this is... I find bases like this a bit more difficult to attack. Where do I fireball? Here? Or this? Is that enough value? I have no idea. This board, this ground, is awful to look at. The scenery, man. Hey, is this time to use a rage spell? Sure. But please don't die. I don't want to invest other spells here, preferably. Yeah, I'll have to use it. Okay, I think he should be fine now, right? Okay, yeah. Do I just fireball? Wait, I guess? I don't know. I really don't see that much fireball value a lot of times here. I'll use this now, I guess. Place him down here. How do I approach this part? Maybe just do this. Put these in there. Okay. Okay, I don't know how necessary that was. Oh my god, that was very close. Late, too late. Yeah. Only the one is alive. What a bomb pipe, by the way. Okay. I find bases like this, I find it difficult to find the fireball value. I said in the beginning, I don't like attacking bases like that. I don't know where the fireball value is, to be honest. Anyway, let's get into the last attack. Or was it the last attack or the attack before the last attack? I don't know. I was thinking about placing the warden on the top, but then I thought maybe it's better if he deals with the monolith and the two ricochet cannons. If he walks into them right, then he can deal with them one by one, and then he can just pick them off. I feel like that's better than the heroes just struggling a lot with those things, like the other heroes, the hero dive. I don't know, I can support him with his spell as well. Yeah, exactly like this, just pick out like the ricochet cannon first. Now it's possible he walks into the range of both the ricochet cannon and the monolith there next. And I'll just have to rage him. I hope that rage is enough though. There's also an expo on him, which is annoying, but it should be fine now. Not really sure how I should do the hero dive, to be honest. Oh my god, he's a bit close. I'll do this. I'll just fireball this. I'm happy with that, honestly. I'll bring him here, and then I will do this, do this. Where do I place the Royal Champion down? I guess just for support here. Should have used my poison spell. I'm just now seeing there's nothing to use the poison spell on anymore. I'll use the rage here for the warden. So this looks looking good power-wise. It's just, again, the time is a bit close here, definitely. I guess I'll just do this so that Builder Hut doesn't disturb my furnaces, my fire mites. Yeah, this is very close, very close. Oh my gosh, I think it's a time failure, no. Well, it's the closest attack. I'll do one more attack, actually. Yeah. Oh, I'm not seeing the fireball value. What the heck? This is awful. I mean, maybe this. Or this, but to get there is difficult. Holy moly, this is so unusual. I mean, not completely, like these bases are more common now, but it's still so weird. At least to me, I haven't adjusted, you could maybe say. One, two, three. Okay, now that Tesla just ruined the fireball I wanted to do. Okay, but 1, 2, 3. Okay, the ricochet cannon is still there, which is annoying. I have an idea, maybe, for how I want to hit the space after that. I'm gonna let the one... Okay, wait. Oh, air mine got my healer, that's annoying. I'm gonna rage him up here too, and then I'm gonna place you down. Okay, it gets one invisibility tower. Okay, now I'm popping the Archer Queen ability, that's nice, I think. And then I'll hope the Royal Champion gets... Where's she going? Okay, no, she really walks into that Giga Bomb, that's a bit unfortunate. I forgot to use my Yetis. Okay, my Royal Champion got the Revenge Tower, which is nice. I'll rage these up, I'll poison these. Okay, now I have placed everything down. How's it looking? How's it looking? The poison and the Archer Queen are going to take down the heroes. That was really good, the enemy heroes. It's looking good. It's looking good, I think. Finally. Okay, okay. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Okay. That sums it up for the day. Okay, so just to sum it up, I feel like compared to my last attacks, there is a clear improvement. At least that's how it feels. I had many more power fails then. Today I had like 1 or 2 power fails with bases that I know I struggle against because I don't see the fireball value. All of the other attacks were time fails, quite close time fails. So I'm kind of happy with that, to be honest. I'll have to do something about that. I'll have to figure out a way to speed up my attacks. But I feel like there's a clear improvement to yesterday. So yeah, I'm happy with that, to be honest. Although it's obviously not my, like, I'm not happy with the results, but I feel like the process is okay. I feel like I'm improving. So yeah, if you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, also feedback or tips or whatever you want to share, and subscribe to see more content like this and to support an upcoming creator. And then I hope to see you next time.